In caca.
You're putting it in the car? Nice. What are you doing with the pillow?
Going up it.
You're going up there? Okay. Oh, okay. You're going to put the pillow in the closet?
The course.
Okay, close the door.
Can I go inside it? Door.
Nice.
Doesn't go.
What does your flashlight do? That's right. That's the big one. What does the big one do? Nice. Oh, I can see you're shining on the pillow. Would you like Mama to close the door?
Okay.
Okay.
It just flashing light. It just
The little flashing light is over here. There you go.
Mama, don't cross me.
Okay.
Go inside.
You go inside. I'll close the door. Ready? Have to tap the pillow up. Can you sit? Let's put the pillow in.
Mama, don't cross
Door closed?
me.
Sure. Okay, ready? Good job, kiddo.
Hammer.
Oh, you need your hammer? Okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Nice. What else are you doing?
Banging.
You're banging? What are you banging?
And
Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.